I'm coming, man. God damn, sit me down. Yeah.
What, usually when I tell you, when I tell you I need your money, you just drop it.
Goddamn fast, dude. Shut the fuck up and throw this neck at this fucking
Settle down.
Shut the fuck up with this fucking yelling at me. Oh, what the fuck? You good? Get out of your system.
Where is he at?
Oh, what now? Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, dumb fuck.
Take my money over here.
Wait, who got him back? Oh, I think
Don't
Duck
worry,
just,
Hammer, I got you.
Duck just bought him back because we were arguing.
Jesus
Fucking
Christ.
children.
Oh man.
That's funny shit.
Stop throwing grenades at me.
Well, I attacked him with a knife at first. It's kind of my fault.
Actually, I'm gonna clip that last.